Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a new channel, Irene Kiseve. Yeah, we can do this. Welcome to my channel. Na muniambia mtu akitaka kupoza na pose yanga wapi jo mama yenu hapa hailewi. Okay. Hello guys, I'm Irene Mali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a new channel. I want to prepare some meal, some dinner for me and my husband. My what? My omu husband. Yes. Okay. I had prepared some beans, as you can see. Yeah, these are the beans. Those are the yellow beans I had prepared. So for me to boil, I'll have to add some salt to make them tasty. If I had some salt, the next thing is I'll be using this rubber and this lid. It's a pressure cooker. It will take like, I think, 40 minutes. It will take 40 minutes. So it's ready here. Where's the matchbox? We move this way. Here is my small Kameko for boiling the cereals. I'll light it up. Then there we go. Yeah. As the beans are boiling, the next thing is omo vyombo. My utensils since yesterday night. Actually, I've not been around. So since yesterday, I had not cleaned the utensils. I'll have to clean the utensils first. This is milk. It needs to be boiled. I've not done it yet. And since we were going to refill some drinking water, so I want to clean the utensils. I want to clean my utensils. And for the people who are using Nokia to do their videos, can you let me know, like, how do you pause when you want to speak to somebody who is beside you, or when you want to do something else? How do you pause? Simply because on my side there's not the pause button. Or which app are you using to take the videos? For people who don't have cameras, which app are you using? Manake hapa naona tukiongea kama robot. Tukishamaliza kuongea tosha vyombo. So mnakuja na mimi. This is my stand. You come with me, we do the cleaning. Don't mind the pillar. I have a pillar in the kitchen, which is so disturbing. So we'll be washing the utensils one by one. Although I normally do it fast, I don't feel like it's a big work. I normally do it fast. Within 30 minutes I'll be done. Okay, our beans are still boiling. Let's give them like maximum, let's see, 30 minutes or 20. Or when you to me, I've never timed it. It's a manual, not electric one. So tell me, what do you normally do? Meanwhile, let's do the washing. It's something like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, then I'll be done. Let's go. How do you clean your utensils? Do you start with the cups, the flask, like the traditional African way? Or how do you do it? Tell me. How do you clean your utensils? Do you start with the cups? Because me, I start with everything. Anything that I hold is good to go. I wash it, rinse from behind, Don't mind me. I'm almost done. In the next 30 to 40 minutes, our things will be ready. Okay. The reason as to why I'm boiling these things is because yesterday we cooked chapati. Yeah, chapati and beans. And since I was doing some intermittent fasting, my husband told me that I should leave him some to come and take them when he comes from work. Yeah. But mimi njani nani, nataka nilemea, mimi nikavunja fast. Milimpia binguni mazee. Ama nyewe mwamini tutakuwa milimpia binguni? Mimi nilibreakiwa fast mazee. Ndio nika breakfast, nikakula. So I have to give him something. When he'll be coming home, he'll find food. He has to find food on the table when he's coming back home. He has to find food. And I ate everything. There were only 3 chapatis in the basin. In our when we keep our chapatis, we had only remained 3. I'm a baby girl. Sinakulanga chapo ngapi? Niambieni, how many chapatis do you take? I want us to finish the utensils before this pressure cooker starts. Before the pressure cooker starts having the hissing sound, like the, what do you call it? The noise. Let me call it the noise. Yeah. I'm almost done. Shamaliza. I don't want to be having a long video. I'll have to cut it while editing. I'll have to cut it while editing. Because I don't want to be having a long video. A long video for the first day. No. My sink is too low, so I have to bend while doing the cleaning. But my sink is too low, yeah. I have to bend while cleaning. But in my previous house, the sink was too high. Like you are doing like this towards the utensils. So you are getting tired for shoulders. What is happening? What do we have today? Namalizia. We are almost done. Almost done. Ama kuja mnashanga vyombo waje. Mnatazamaji kwa kazi ndio mnaosha. Or how do you do it? Because me normally do it haraka nimalize tu. After we finish it. Imagine I'm done. But in like 3 to 4 years, then I'll be done. Hizi sufuria zote zapanga wapi? Ukipika chakula watu wawili, hiyo alikuwa moja 4. But I understand if there are more than 3, I understand because kuna ya maziwa, kuna ya chai, kuna ya mboga. So lazima nimalize haraka. And now finally we are done, the last one. We are done. Now I need to clean this area. Yeah. I need to clean up this area. I wash my kitchen towel. Mimi nakushika sufuria, mimi ndio kitambaa, but wazungu they call it kitchen towel. Let me wash it. We are done, it's clean. We are done now. Let me clean it, then I show you how easy it is. It's so easy. That's where I keep my vitu. I'm sorry, somebody knocked. Now we are done. Diko done. Umeka mna greens na boil maragwe. I'm done. I'm done. We're done. We are done doing that already. You can see my sink is very clean, it's empty. We're done cleaning. And here are the utensils. There are the utensils, you can see them. There, can you see them? There. There. We're done. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for being with me. Support your girl. Let's go together. Right? Hit that red subscribe button and comment below what next should I do in the house. Challenge me. Bye.